Hello friends, in a class test, the sum of Jagruti's marks in maths and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Then find her marks in both subjects. Now, first of all, I will write here, let Jagruti's marks in maths is equal to x. Therefore, we have given the sum of the marks in maths and English is 30. Means marks in maths plus marks in English is equal to 30. Total marks 30. Now we know that marks in maths, Jagruti's marks in maths, x plus we don't know marks in English is equal to 30. Now we take this x to the right side. Therefore, we will get marks in English is equal to, we take this to the right side, 30 minus x, this way. Now, the next condition, that is, had she got 2 marks more in maths. Suppose she got 2 marks more in maths, means previous marks x in maths. Then marks in maths, now marks in maths here we add 2 in this x, means in previous marks. Had she got 2 marks more in maths, therefore original marks in maths x, therefore we add 2 more marks, therefore we add there 2. Now marks in maths, and therefore marks in English. Now see, according to this condition, add 3 marks less in English. Now previous marks in English 30 minus x. Now 3 marks less in English. Therefore new marks in English 30 minus x minus 3 means 30 minus 3 means 27 minus x. Now these are very important marks. Now according to given condition, according to this given condition, what is this condition? Now the product of their marks would have been 210, means marks in maths product means multiplication, marks in English 27 minus x, this product is equal to 210, here multiplication. Now we multiply here, say this properly. Now we multiply here to this bracket by this x, means x into 27 minus x plus this plus 2 we take here and multiply to this same bracket again, and we take this 210 to the left side, becomes minus. Now x into 27, therefore 27 x into minus x square plus 2 into 27, 2 into 27 we write directly here 54 minus plus into minus minus 2 into x 2x minus 210 is equal to 0. Now here we write, see this carefully, minus x square minus x square, here 27x minus 2x means plus 25x, and here minus 210 and plus 54 means these are like terms. 27x 2x like terms, 54 and minus 210 like terms. We add or subtract. Now here this is bigger number, 210 is bigger number, therefore by subtraction means here see this subtraction, 10 minus 4 carry 1, carry 1, 11 minus 6 carry 1, 156. Now this is our quadratic equation. Now we take all these three terms to the right side, therefore minus x square becomes plus, this plus 25 becomes minus, and this minus 156 becomes plus, is equal to 0. Now we split this 156 plus 156, we split here, therefore splitting we want minus 25, 13 and 12, 13 and 12 here negative, means always we put this sign here to bigger, and according to this we write here another sign. Here minus 13 minus 12 means minus 25, and minus into minus plus. Now we put, see here, x square minus 13x minus 12x plus 156, or you can write a product of these two, x square also means 156 into x square, therefore we write here this way also. Now here we take common, x in bracket x minus 13, now same bracket we write here x minus 13 is equal to 0. Now here we take common 12, 12 minus 12 into x minus 12x, minus into minus plus, 12 into 13 156. Now this bracket common, therefore x minus 13 and second bracket x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now therefore we write x minus 13 is equal to 0, or x minus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 13, or we say x is equal to 12. Now when we take x is equal to 13, when x is equal to 13, then marks in maths, Jagruti, marks in maths, marks in maths is equal to x is equal to 13, marks in maths. Then we write marks in English, marks in English. Then marks in English is equal to 30 minus x means 30 minus 13 is equal to 70. And when we take x is equal to, when we take x is equal to 12, when x is equal to 12, then marks in maths is equal to x is equal to 12. Therefore, marks in English is equal to 30 minus x means 30 minus 12. Therefore, marks in English 18. This way we will find out answers of Jagruki's marks in maths or mathematics and Jagruki's marks in English. Friends, like, share, subscribe my channel as well as press notification button too.